Bitcoin price soars as spot ETFs amass 10 times more BTC than miners' production. Ruholamin Haqshanas last updated February 13, 2024 at 9:07 GMT plus 22 min read. Source: Adobe. Bitcoin price has surged past the $50,000 mark, fueled by an unprecedented influx of investments from spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs. These ETFs have managed to accumulate a staggering 10 times more Bitcoin BTC than what miners were able to produce on Monday. More specifically, data shows that approximately $493.4 million, equivalent to around 10,280 BTC, flowed into spot Bitcoin ETFs as of February 12. Among these funds, BlackRock's IBIT emerged as the clear leader, attracting a massive $374.07 million. Fidelity's FBTC fund followed closely behind with a substantial inflow of $151.9 million, while ARK21 shares ARK fund secured $40 million. Despite these significant inflows, there were minor outflows of $95 million from Grayscale and $20.8 million from Invesco's BTCO, resulting in a net inflow of nearly $500 million. In contrast, Bitcoin miners only produced approximately 1,059 BTC, equivalent to roughly $51 million on the same day, according to data from blockchain.com. This represents only 10% of the amount of BTC accumulated by spot ETFs. A similar trend was observed on February 9th, with spot ETFs capturing approximately 12,700 BTC, worth a staggering $541.5 million, while mining contributed a mere 980 BTC, valued at around $45 million. BlackRock and Fidelity dominate ETF inflows. BlackRock has been taking the lead in terms of inflows, with an inflow of $250.7 million on February 9. Fidelity followed closely behind with an inflow of $188.4 million, and ARK21 shares witnessed substantial inflows of $136.5 million. Grayscale's outflows decreased to their lowest level of the week at $51.8 million, resulting in an overall bumper day aggregate inflow. In a recent interview on CNBC Squawk Box, Bitcoin pioneer Anthony Pompliano highlighted Wall Street's growing affinity for Bitcoin. He emphasized that there is a demand for Bitcoin that is 12.5 times greater than its daily production. Pompliano noted that approximately 80% of the total Bitcoin supply has remained stagnant over the past 6 months, and only around $200 billion worth of BTC is actively tradable. Thus, the spot ETFs have managed to accumulate 5% of the entire tradable supply of Bitcoin in just 30 days, illustrating the immense appetite for the cryptocurrency. Spot BTC ETFs see increased trading volume. Last week, spot Bitcoin ETFs saw their total daily trading volume exceed $1 billion, with BlackRock emerging as the top performer. Furthermore, BlackRock and Fidelity spot Bitcoin ETFs have emerged among the top 10 funds with the highest inflows in January. BlackRock's IBIT secured the 8th position with an estimated $2.6 billion in net flows, while FBTC claimed the 10th spot, attracting $2.2 billion in net flows. In contrast, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC experienced significant outflows, with an estimated $5.7 billion exiting the fund in January, marking the second highest outflows among ETFs. Still, during the trading days from January 26 to February 2, the inflows into the new spot Bitcoin fund surpassed the outflows from GBTC, which experienced its second lowest outflow day on February 2, amounting to $144.6 million. As of now, Bitcoin price is hovering around the $50,000 mark, up by more than 4% over the past day. Follow us on Google News.